What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have Let's Play Pokemon Fire Red, and as you guys can see, I leveled up our Pokemon up to 40 and I nicknamed all of our Pokemon. Mainly our squad Red the Gyarados, Mystic the Nidoking, Coral the Vileplume, Mr. Sai the Kadabra, Heads the Raichu, Araizu the Charizard. I nicknamed the Pokemon after something, and say in the comments if you find difference. And there are so many things you can do in this city, so I brought Brackus to this city, and if you talk to this man's house, Mr. Psychic's house, he is the father of Sabrina. He will give us TM29 Psychic, and you can come to this place. You can come to this place and you will see what I mean. I'll see you when I defeat all these trainers. Hey guys, I defeated every trainer and talked to the master, and he had an Hitmonlee. Okay, go Mr. Sai. High jump kick will do Bollocks choice, and sent out that thing. We send out our Mr. Sai. Fire Punch is a special attack now, and we got a chance to take Hitmonlee or Hitmonchan. I will take Hitmonlee. We can get another by breeding it in the post game by with Ditto. And yeah, and everybody's and we're gonna do everybody's favorite puzzle now, the Silphco puzzle. Yes. If you don't know, it's very simple. Go to 5th floor. Also off screen I grinded with these guys. So yeah. Okay. Go through this one and come back, and you will get the card key, and go to third floor. Third floor go through this one and you will reach our rival fight. And okay, let's take on our rival. Yay! Bye bye Pidgeot. With that, yes, I want Hydro Pump Power Fight. We got his Growlithe, which doesn't matter. Okay, Ice Beam. We'll give that thing. We got Secret Power for you, Alakazam. Future Sight, stupid Future Sight. Secret Power for you. No problem. Yes, Gyarados single-handedly took out this thing. And he'll give us a repress. I'm gonna nickname it later. I'm gonna heal up. Guys, I'll come and heal up. Guys, this lady right here in the first floor, after you get the card key, will teach us Thunder Wave. And our Mr. Sai can learn that, and our Gyarados. And I want our Gyarados to learn that instead of Twister, and I'm going to defeat all that. Guys, here in the 10th floor, before you can use card key, you can get an Carbos for, you can get a free rare candy. Just want to point out that. So guys, here in the 9th floor, if you come this direction, if you talk to this girl, she will heal up us. Okay guys, here we back, and our Araizo is our level 42 now. Let's see, will he grow up to level 43 by this episode. In this episode, we're going to take on Koga. In the last episode, we just defeated Giovanni. In this episode, we are defeating it. How ironic. Take that. Yeah. Water Pulse, I had you. I had you, Water Pulse, I had you. Your rage is building. How many stories it is? Oh, shit. Oh. We are getting very lucky with this axe. And if you talk to this guy, he'll give us a master ball. Just a master ball. Just. Okay, let's quickly head out of this freaking place. I think so many people now can't suffer with him. We can take on Sabrina now, but I want to take on Jims in order. So, we're off to Fuchsia. But before that, off screen, let's go to Celadon City. And I've off screen got to Fuchsia and battled every trainer. And I bought some Pokeballs. So let's turn on the music. This music is very nice, but I don't want the video to be so much. I think I saved. No problem. Oh no. Go Ultra Ball. Yes. We got it, guys. We finally got it. And if you talk to the side, if you give him 40 kinds of Pokemon, he'll give us an amulet coin, which is very good. And we're off to Fuchsia now. Let's quickly take on this trainer. Our Charizard is very close to level 43. I'm off screen gonna fight these guys. Now I won't. Okay guys, I think here. Okay, I want our Charizard to be up to level 43 before we take on the gym. So here is a little bit of training. Take that, you bird keepers. Fry those birds, Arizo. Fry those birds. And I will train our squad. I'm gonna change up our squad before we go into the Elite Four. And we are at Fuchsia, officially at Fuchsia City now. I wanna quickly take on this bike. Yes. Sorry, deselect it. Walk. Okay. I'm gonna heal up. And let's take on Koga now. Okay. Let's take on this gym. Oh shit.
Bullshit.
He's my brother talking to us. He's always about shit. Flamethrower will kill it. No? What kind of drugs he is using? Let's quickly go through this gym. This is meant to be a poison type gym, not a psychic type gym. Literally, first 3 trainers had psychic Pokemon. Why? Why? Our Charizard is growing levels very fast. Now, if we have psychic Pokemon, I'll quit. Good, good. Arbok, Sarbak. Sandslash. Fuck off, man. Why? I'm gonna heal up our party and I'll see you guys when I defeat Koga. I'm gonna battle. Heal up and let's take on Koga in 1 minute. Bap. 42. Bap. No problem. Save him. Bap. Bap. And bop. Koga is dead easy. And we got Toxic. I'll see you. And quickly before I end this episode, I wanna show you guys give you guys some tips in this city. If you talk to this man, he'll give us a good ride. That's not the main thing. In the next episode, we're gonna take on the Safari Zone. Also, I wanna show you guys something. So many people doesn't know how to get XP share on Pokemon Fire Red. If you come here and talk to this man, if you got 50 Pokemon in your decks, he'll give us the XP share. And also before I end the episode, I wanna show you guys something I done off screen. I went to the Safari Zone, but it doesn't pick up the Surfer Gold Teeth. I wanna show you guys something. I got two of the most move Pokemon. Look at this. I got the rarest Pokemon in existence. Of course, in Fire Red. Chansey. It is very rare, and if it had lucky leg, we are the luckiest person in the world. Does it have the item? No! But Chansey is very rare and its catch rate is awful. I don't care if we get lucky or not. And I wanna change up our party. I'm gonna replace our Gyarados with this Vaporeon, if possible, or with a Dratini. And let's see if we can have this Snorlax in the team. That's it for this episode, guys. And we got XP share. I'm gonna try and off screen that thing. We got the XP share. So many people doesn't know how to get XP share. I'm gonna try up the Dratini off screen, and I'll see you in the next episode.